Hello, today I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing and video on this JVC T710BT CD receiver and car stereo. I ordered it through Crushfield's website. If you go on Crushfield's website right now, many of the items are on back order. So I was on back order for about a month. I was on the list and called in and checked my status, and this one came up, and it was a open box item, which I ended up getting cheaper than the regular one and having to wait on my original order to come in. It comes with the same factory guarantee, and it's basically up to par and everything as far as Crushfield's concerned. It's just the box had been opened. If you look at Crushfield's website, many of the items on there are back ordered right now, and it's not their fault. If you know, order anything, tons of stuff are on back order right now throughout the world. So this has a Bluetooth capability. It has Alexa built in. You can hook up your USB to it. You can hook up 2 phones to it to call, 5 phones for streaming music in on it. It is a CD receiver, which I have some CDs, so that's why I got it. CDs are becoming extinct right now. And my little 49 Chevy's stereo had went out, so that's why I was looking to replace it. Here we'll be unboxing it. Comes with a wiring harness. Like I said, this was an open box item, but everything's still factory sealed, it looks like. Comes with your microphone for your phone to speak into, and then has the owner's manual, and then here we have the receiver itself. So it has its slide on it right there. It has the pins right here to pull the stereo out of the sleeve. So I'm going to install it on my 49 Chevy, like I said. So I did not order a factory type wiring harness, because I'll just have to wire it up myself. I'll have more to this video as soon as I get it installed to show you how it works. So stay tuned. Okay, here's that JVC unit I just put in my little 49 Chevy. Here's the on button. And we have the sources right here. Got your auxiliary, XM, AM, CD, Pandora, Spotify, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and back to FM. Here you got your scan up and down. This is for your phone if you have it connected up to it. Here's for your presets on your stations. Here's for your Alexa. Okay, here you got your door for your flash drive if you have some music downloaded. And then over here is your eject for the CD. Okay, and here we'll play some royalty-free music. That way you can hear what it sounds like. There's our royalty-free music playing on the Bluetooth from my phone. This is just off 2 speakers right here on this console, this homemade console. No amp or anything. It's kind of dark in here, so hopefully this comes out alright. And once again, it's that JVC unit that I did the unboxing, and I installed it in here with no wiring harness, just the harness that came with the stereo, and wired it up. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like, and leave a comment below.